Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing us how to make icing sugar at home in less than 2 minutes. So I'm adding 1 cup of sugar and then 1 tablespoon of corn flour. So for every cup of sugar you should add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. That's if you are blending 2 cups of sugar, make sure you add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. The purpose of the corn flour is just to prevent the sugar from having lumps when you store it for a long period of time. But if you are going to use the icing sugar immediately, there is no need for you to add the corn flour. So the next thing is to go ahead and blend it. Make sure you blend it very well. So after blending, this is what I have. You can see it. This is what I have. So the next thing is to go ahead and sieve it to make sure that it blended very well. So that is just it. So after filtering it, you just go ahead and store it in an airtight container. So any recipe that calls for icing sugar, you have your icing sugar. That is just it. It's as simple as ABCD. So I hope you learned something from this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.